Once your recyclables are picked up at the curb, ever wonder where they go and what happens to them? We here at Athens Services will break down the process for you in under a minute. First, mixed recycling is picked up by our drivers who bring the stuff you've recycled to a MRF. MRF stands for Materials Recovery Facility. This is where manual and automated sorters separate the various types of recyclables. Next, cardboard and paper are separated. The remaining plastics, glass, and metals continue down a conveyor belt. Then large magnets collect metals like aluminum. A density blower redirects plastics to a new conveyor belt. Glass is sent through a machine where it's eventually crushed. Optical sensors sort the remaining plastic by type into designated bins. Once the recyclables are sorted by material, they are baled into large compact cubes like these. The cubes are then shipped to manufacturers for reuse. MRFs like these are an important tool in the battle to keep our recyclables out of the landfills. For more information about MRFs, go to athensservices.com.